Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening, YouTube? Good morning, everybody. I figure you guys can join me with my coffee. Join me for my coffee here, real quick. I might knock out another video this morning as well. I got a little bit of time to kill. But if you guys remember, I made a video the other day talking about why YouTubers will not mention the C word, the word of the Modello cough, and I'm kind of hesitant to mention it just because I don't want to have to do a manual review every time. But we'd kind of talked about how if you mention the virus going around right now, videos wind up getting demonetized. And we kind of explained, there's a lot of snake oil salesmen trying to like sell cures. There's a lot of very like clickbaity, hypey videos. So I'm sure YouTube is just kind of trying to keep that craziness kind of off of the ad platform. But to do so, they kind of wind up taking a sweeping blanket approach, like most platforms do, right? And just kind of demonetizing everything. Well, I talked in a video the other day about how, just based off the views on some of these videos, it's about $200 worth, or $250 worth of YouTube partner money, YouTube ad money that I was missing out on, based on a CPM of $31, I think it was, and, however many views it was, a couple thousand views. So, I was going to miss out on about $250. I wound up appealing it. And for anybody who's not like on YouTube or doesn't really know how YouTube works, when your video has under 1,000 views, you're not able to manually appeal it. Once a video gets to 1,000 views, you are able to request a manual appeal, and then a real person looks at the video. And I'm guessing with these two videos, you guys can see them on the screen right now. With these two videos, even though one of them actually has the C word in it, eBay bans sale of face mask hand sanitizer amid blank price gouging. Even though that word is right in the title, I think eBay can tell from the context of the video. I'm not trying to hawk a cure. I'm not trying to hype anything up. It's just kind of a news story, and they actually approved that video. And then the one above, I might have slipped up and mentioned the C word a couple times in the video. But again, that one was just kind of reporting on a guy who stocked up on 17,000 hand sanitizers and tried to sell them on Amazon. So, the email reads, "Hi, Rules for Rebels, great news. After manually reviewing 2 of your videos, we've determined that they are suitable for all advertising." So, I think that's, probably 3,000 to 4,000 views, which at $31 a view is what, 30, 60, 90, about $120 worth of ad revenue. Obviously, I already missed out on, you can't get back the ad revenue for views that already happened, but moving forward, these videos will be monetized. So, it seems like YouTube is either loosening up on the C word ban, or at the very least is willing to manually review and manually let videos through upon appeal. So I figured I'd share that with you. That's really all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Later.